In this video, I'm going to be showing you how the YZ-EMX held up after a day of practice at East Fork MX. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Okay, so here we got the wires, and the main wire seems to held up pretty good. They both, pretty good. Charge port, pretty good. And here we got the controller, and it looks like it's good too. And when you go to take off the gas tank, just make sure you kind of tilt it to the right because you got the wires. You want to make sure them are good. And tank looks fine other than there's a big ass hole in the bottom. It all held up pretty nice under the tank and the wires. To remove the battery, you just swing the hinge up and over and then down. And here is another view of it. The battery is quite heavy, 71 pounds. And the battery itself, it looks to be in really good condition. The wires, the casing, everything, it held up perfect. Here's an up-close shot of the controller, and it is in good condition.